Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a call in Pipedrive. This will help you stay organized, track your calls, and make sure every conversation is properly logged. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is where you manage all your tasks, calls, meetings, and reminders. Next, at the top of the screen, click the plus icon. This will open a form to create a new activity. Now fill in the details for your call. Add a clear subject so you know what the call is about. Link the call to the correct contact person, and if needed, connect it to a deal or organization. Make sure to set the activity type to Call. This helps you organize and track your calls properly. Then choose the date and time for your call. You can also set a reminder so you don't forget. In the Notes section, write down key points or questions you want to discuss. This will help you stay prepared during the call. Before saving, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Once ready, click Save. That's it. Now your call is scheduled and will appear in your activities list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.